welcome to the barbecue hut, or as we call it, Jabba. Fire's going already. Oh, that's nice and warm in here. Oh, that's lovely. Let's have a look to see if I can, we can see the temperature gauge. Oh, where are we? Let's have a look. Where are we? Oh, no. Oh, look at that. That is just over 30 degrees in here, which is lovely. It's a bit dark at the moment. Let's. We have some lights that we can put on. We don't have any electric. We don't really need it, but we have different lights. Got some up there as well. We have lots of different ones. Nice fire. We tend to use some kindling to get it going, natural kindling, and then we use that. We buy it from Tesco's. It's about £5 a go. It's really, it catches really well, burns, doesn't smoke, doesn't spit, which is ideal. There's the clock. It's a bit dark, as I say, but we'll put the lights on later. We've got some friends coming over later, and we're cooking chilli in here. So a few pots and pans that we keep in here. We tend to keep everything in here, including down there. Probably see that's kindling. Some natural fire lighters. Oh, there's some beers, some whiskey, and of course the gin collection. That's a really nice gin. That one there, plum gin, which is great. And the fire. So it's really had some snow, so it's really quite cold outside. And as I say, we don't really have any lights. We've got a radio down there that we use, that we put on if we just from background music. When friends come over, it's nice to sit and chat. And we have these stools that we bought, so we can sit up there. And then these, you can actually lift these off and use them as a tray. Sit quite close. If you're doing a fondue or something like that, it's really nice. There's the grill, which we swing over. Literally, it swings over and you can cook on that. So we've cooked loads of things on it now. It's also just great to have as a, you've got a fire pit there, copper pan for sauces, teapot is and kettle that we use in here, and it's a fantastic little social area. It's like another room really, but it's a real talking point. Let's just change these lights. They keep flashing. That's really annoying me now. So let's have a look. Got to be. Do you want it on that one? Oh, that's okay. Well, that's on anyway. So we have little lights in here, and we have to charge or change the batteries every so often. So chilli tonight, which will be really nice. 2 types of chilli, one really hot, and the other just a normal, quite a mild chilli really. The hot one has spicy chorizo as well, which is great. It just adds to the flavour and also to the spices, a little bit of warmth. It's got an extra chilli in it and some chilli powder, and also chilli beans. So I'll show you that a little bit later in the next video. Until then, we'll sorry, I'll get carried away. That's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that fire. So until then, we'll catch you later. Thank you.